So today we have a blow dryer brush. Before getting started, you want to make sure your hair is not dripping and you've used your brush. It has 3 different speeds that I'm going to show you. The first one is high speed natural air. Kind of like a cool air that's coming out. The next one is the low speed warm air. You can hear the difference in that, but it's warm air coming out. And the high speed is hot air. And that's like a normal hair dryer. Now it also has a straightening option. Turn it on, you're going to press and hold the on-off button for 3 seconds. It's going to start on 320 degrees. That's ideal for people with thin or really fine hair. To change it to the next setting up, you're going to press it once. The next one is 360. That's for normal hair, maybe slightly wavy, curly. If you want to go to the hottest setting, it's going to be 400 degrees. That's if you've got really thick curly hair. Mine's already starting to curl from just drying it, so that's going to be the setting that I use.